Hey everyone, I just saw a question on Quora that a lot of people are asking. In our newly bought house, many cracks are developing on the wall. What could be the reason and what should be done? If you're facing the same issue, then I've got the answer for you. There could be several reasons for wall cracks, like temperature changes, moisture, or even structural issues. Identifying the cause is important so you can take the right action. But how do you know if a crack is serious? Well, this can only be determined by an experienced professional. The warning signs include the doors and windows sticking, or the cracks expanding over time, and if not acted upon at the earliest, these signs could lead to an expensive repair in the future. So as they say, prevention is better than cure. Likewise, hiring a professional home inspection service like Nemmadi will be the most suitable option for you to save money and repairs. We will conduct a thorough home inspection to detect the issues like dampness, the wall cracks, and the electrical, plumbing, and mechanical issues before you move in. So don't let these cracks ruin your beautiful new home. Contact us now.